In this video, we are going to be learning how to install the BWAP on Kali Linux. If you do not know what BWAP is, it is an extremely buggy web application. It is a deliberately insecure web application that is designed for you to learn and test out different types of web application penetration testing attacks. Since this will be hosted on our own localhost, it is completely safe and legal to use. But the process of setting up BWAP is complicated for a beginner, so that's why we're going to be installing BWAP with Docker, which will make our process much more simpler. We just have to run two commands to start BWAP. So let's get started with the installation process. First, open up your terminal. Next, confirm whether you have Docker installed or not with the command docker space -v and press enter. I can see Docker is not installed in my system. If you have Docker installed, please skip to the part where I installed BWAP. But if you do not have Docker installed, type the command sudo apt install docker.io and press enter. After Docker has been installed, enable Docker with the command sudo systemctl enable docker space --now and press enter. Check whether Docker is running or not with the command sudo systemctl status docker and press enter. I can now see that my Docker is now active and running. Next, type the command sudo usermod space -a capital G docker space $user and press enter. This is so that we do not have to use the command sudo before every Docker command. Next, to make the change take place immediately, log out from your machine and log back in again. And now if I type the command docker space -v and press enter, I can see that Docker has been installed successfully, and this is the version of Docker we're running. And now we just have to pull the BWAP Docker image and run it. Open up your favorite web browser and go to google.com and search for BWAP Docker and press enter. Click on the first link which says hackersploit BWAP Docker. In the right side, when you see Docker full command, copy this command and go back to your terminal and paste the command. Press enter. We're all done now. We just have to run the Docker image. So go back to the website again, scroll down, and when you see the docker run command, copy the command, go back to your terminal and paste the command, and press enter. And now if I go to my web browser and type the local address, which is 127.0.0.1 and press enter, I can see the error, connection failed. This is expected as some configuration is needed to be made. So after the local address 127.0.0.1, type install.php and press enter. Click here to install BWAP. Click on the here and it has been installed successfully. And now after the local address, if I type login.php, I can see that BWAP started properly. The default login username is B and the default password is bug. I will keep the security level low and click on login. And as you can see, I have logged in successfully. So that is how you install BWAP on Kali Linux. That is for the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching.